That dude's such an ore farmer, bro. Shit's tires car. I'm taking this dude's catch can. What are you doing? Yo, did you see that truck? Viper. Two Vipers, what the fuck? Bro, it's like...
Looks like a speaker.
Yeah, it looks like, what is that? That bed liner shit. The whole thing is just sprayed with bed liner. This thing looks like a fucking tank. Dude, I love how wide this angle is, bro. This angle is so damn wide. Dude, look how wide this shit is. The whole freaking car is in the... Dude, I can get the whole freaking car right here. Yeah, I saw that. I saw that. Dude, look at this big ass. What is that, 8 rib?
Yeah, it looks like an 8 rib.
Yeah, Michaela misses it.
This is clean, I ain't gonna lie.
Yeah, I like the setup, the wheel setup. Same wing I had too.
Race guaranteed. I'm not ready, I'll be like, no race.
Yeah, I'll just go because it's kind of close to home. Because he works like 24 hours a day. He works like 24 hours a day. Huh?
I went out this morning.
Here's 01. Bro, his mom was talking crazy. This is the one? Well, what is he, stock lower?
I have no idea.
What was the other car? This one? Alright. Should I be down? I'm down. He's spraying that bitch. M3. He's spraying that thing.
250 shot. I do like this color too.
He wants to go too?
No, I said I like this color.
That sounds good.
It does, I ain't gonna lie.
That sounds really good. Yo, this thing is massive. That's a big bitch. He came back to Ora Farm. Oh shit! In the dud machine.
Moments later.
Alright, late start to the video, but we are out here at the East Station as usual with Marcus and Manuel. We are about to go get some night runs tonight. Look at this dude, look at this dude smiling! Shit, hopefully it's a good turnout tonight. I really hope it's a good turnout. What's under this car that you just ran? I know it's cam. Full bolt on cam, that's it?
Yeah, I think it might have the same shit that the black Hellcat has, but with like the snout, whatever. I don't really know no cars like that.
Let's see what he's gutted in the rear at least. Might run him. I don't know. There's some road pirates out, so we might get a run in with him. But ran that Hellcat. What's on his car? It's like ported snout.
Yeah, the bolt-ons, ported snout. I think some like intercooler lid.
Oh, chiller.
Yeah.
Yeah, bolt-ons E, ported snout, and a chiller on that car. And we might get a run in with this one. But yeah, those some road pirates out. So I do not know. Not trying to risk nothing, you know what I'm saying? So, I mean, we'll see how it goes. Here's the other Hellcat that we ran. Game of third gear, it's a little fun run. Dude, I love this rear tire setup. This shit looks so crazy in person. Like, big ol' deep dish looking wheels. Yeah, this thing hella clean. When it's clean too, bro, black looks so good. It's just a pain in the ass to keep clean, you know? Alright, yo, we back. Just got in some more good runs. I didn't really actually get a run in. We just did that three-way. But shit, these cars are moving out, man. I wish more people turned up, but not that many people came out tonight. It is what it is. But yeah. Alright, we are back at the crib. Hopefully you guys enjoyed those runs. That white Hellcat, he actually drove like an hour away. He was coming just to run Marcus. I didn't really get too many runs in. I ran the black Hellcat and then I hopped in for that three-way, and then obviously I recorded Ears and his run. So hopefully you guys all enjoyed those. Yeah, these were just kind of fun runs anyway though. I believe I ran the black Hellcat before, and I definitely ran the white one before, but he just got a cam, so he wanted to come down and run Marcus before he pullied up. Or sorry, before Marcus pullied down. to see if that cam actually made a difference. He said it did. He said it definitely did make a pretty big difference. So, you know, that's pretty good for him. And those were also both like third gear hits, which I was trying to get down into second. The three-way, I was trying to get down to second, but they hit it too quick. I was like, damn it. It's hard to get into second once you're doing like 55. I don't know, because my dash is, my speedometer is messed up because of the rear tires. So I think I was like doing 55, and like you have to slow it down to get it into second more. But I was like, you know what, these are just fun runs anyway, I don't really care, so. But with that being said, hopefully you guys all enjoyed those runs. Make sure you guys drop a like and a sub, and I'll catch you all in the next one. Peace.